easy if you can do 2 sets in a row against Army. I'm sure the veterans will wake up here.
And there's a free ball. Opportunity now here. Oh yes, Jaja Santiago.
Oh, meron pala siya.
Oo.
Lang,
Naninigurado lang.
Hindi naman kailangan ibaon.
Yes. Although yun yung mga tipo parang asarap idiin eh, no?
I think in normal height people gusto
Oh. But for her, it's just a normal day in the office na ganun yung mga, ganun ang height ng bola sa kanya.
Tatapigin ko lang baka may masabit pa kayo na dinadaan ko sa lahat. Pero I like the development of Jaja, yung variety of shots in which she's attacking. 1-1 ang score natin. Glad you're with us as we roll along with the Shakey's feeling. And, you know, if it's one family pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's.
A good start for the Lady Bulldogs so far. And Jaja Santiago already has 8 points. During the first set, Ivy Perez with 6.
Nakita ko sa ilalim ng mata.
So, na-reflect na.
Hindi, itataas ko sana sa'yo para paluin.
E, na-block ko kagad.
Nakita ni Barry. Galing ng utility.
Oh, good block there from Sabas. Perez to Santiago, who drops it. Oh, poor coverage here for Army.
I'm not very good at it. But those who have played this game, you can see it in the bottom of your eye.
Yeah.
Diba?
You have your peripheral vision also eh.
All. Sabi ko nga sa mga naglalaro volleyball, pwede kayo maglakad sa gitna ng one, hindi kayo tatamaan. Oh, ganda ng pick-up ni Basek. Wow, ayaw nila sayangin.
It is a free ball. And they go to Mandapat. Oh, good down the line hit.
I like the way Mandapat has just stepped out in this conference. She will be a player to watch in the Shakey's League and in the collegiate season. Nabibigyan ng magandang bola ni Perez eh. Sa panahon ng tagulan, iwasan ng dengue, lion, tiger, kapaladumigan. Probably, Philippine made.
Santiago with the serve. Serve just safely over. They go to Gonzaga. Off the block. Perez to set it up for Mandapat.
I'm gonna go back later to sa serve ni Jaja kapag matapos ng point. Sige, eto na, si Sing!
Oh, Sing attacks and makes it to the line.
I think Jaja is doing the right thing when she's just, pinoporsyento lang.
Yeah.
She's not expected to do anything spectacular there. Naman eh.
That's what's important. I mean, you'd like to earn a score from your serve, but you know, if there are certain times na kailangan, manigurado ka lang muna.
We've seen her mess up her serve in crucial games that they could have won, but here she changes her step just a bit, getting some confidence from the first serve. Oh, well done. That was Jimmy Sabas.
Excellent play from Sabas.
Si Sabas nakakalimutan ko minsan sa balasa, ha? She's there pala. Ay, Jimmy, nandiyan ka pala.
All of a sudden, coming out of nowhere.
And Tina Salak is the only person who remembers that she's there in the party as well.
Good serve. Perez tries to keep it alive.
Bakit sa akin mo binalik? Sabi ni Marla, nakahiga pa ako eh. Ano ba naman buhay ito? But Myla was apologetic to the bench. I should have kept that in play. Axel is our official arbiter here in Shakey's League. 4 apiece. Sa kabila, Mandapat. Yan.
Oh, Mandapat right in between the two blockers.
Alam mo maganda kay Mandapat kasi she has a good court sense. Hindi niya pinipilit against the block.
Yes.
May natural jumping ability pag ito. Nahasa pa with weight training at more training. Oh, it should get better and better.
Perez is making it to the ball. Oh, Pablo outside. He's calling for a touch, but there was none.
Sabi ng NUPS, nung huli nating maalala, alam ko second ball to sir. Nagkagulo ng kapiraso. 5 ball tayo! Nice set.
Oh, nice set there from Perez. That goes off the block. There was a touch from Gonzaga.
Anong tawag? Kapitana, tinawag. O, sino man? Behave. I think so. Ang laro ito, napaka-decorum. Masaya laro ito, pero the refs are very particular about decorum.
Good serve from Malapat.
Naku, ganda ng doon ni Dina.
Yun yung mga tipong may kasamang dasal pag set mo.
Itong yung baba ng Tina Salak. And Tina just the leader there, just telling her teammates, this is what we should do. Gonzaga's waiting with our Mikasa official ball here in the Shakey's Wheeling. Good pick up by General.
Yeah, that was a good pick up from General.
Outside. Two straight points by the Army. Back row strike.
Bunag.
Nowhere to go. Tied at 7 now. Alam mo, ang problema feeling ko lang sa Army, they're playing too cautious. They're playing too safe. In the meantime, there's a slick, wet portion on the floor. Referee Gaa over there making sure that that is cleaned up. Sa talas ng mata ng mama, pati yung magpasa, nakikita niyo.
We're tied 7 apiece. Desiree Dadang at the service line for NU. Service good.
Ganda, no? Just above the net. Regalo.
Valses. Blocked by Pablo.
Pwede na matulog si Milo Pablo, no? Kasi na-block si King Dancing. But let's see.
At bigyan daw ng isang magandang laban, wag na daw bigyan ng momentum itong NU. Balik sa inyo, guys.
Don't give anything talaga. Kasi medyo, it's now become a pride thing. 9-7 NU ahead here in the second. But Bunag not hitting that open spot in the end row. It is now 8-9 as Mary Jean Balser will serve. That's a nice name, no? Very girlish.
Very girly. Yeah.
Very girlish.
Well, that is a service error from Mary Jean Balser.
Yes. It is now 10-8. One day I want to see some of these ladies coach. Babae ang mga coaches. And that will happen sooner than you think. Oh, nicely done. Nakakadalawang strike na ito si Bunag.
Good running a hit there from Joan Bunag.
Bunag is a good player to come off the bench. In other words, when the first 6 doesn't get their rhythm going, she's a nice spark plug that can liven up a team. She has scored 2 points coming off the bench. Sing. Arno, the FEU libero is there. Dakis forces Milo Pablo into a somersault. When Rachel Dakis gets her game going, galing ni Rachel kasi umiwas eh.
But she reaches high for the ball also, so that's one.
Kapit-kapit lang.
And again, another luxury that Jaja Santiago has. You know, being able to tower over everybody.
Parang sinabi ni Ivy Perez, Jack, maabot niya sa taas.
Pili ko nga kahit yung referee first referee natin na mag-block sa kanya, kaya pa rin yan.
Perez. Neatly done on the cross court.
So it is the running hits that has been scoring for the Philippine Army.
Yes, indeed. Now that you mention it. Remind ko kayo na sa panahon ng tagulan, iwasan ng dengue, lion, tiger, katol na gamitin. Proudly, Philippine made. Iba naman yun. Pagka ganun, when this lady, as tall as she is at 6'5", 6'6", pag nakuha niya, ang hirap lakin,
That's right. Because she, apart from the fact that she has the height, she has a very fast action when it comes to attacking him. Mabilis yung reflex niya.
In the meantime, Ivy Perez, in an ungainly position, couldn't lift the ball up. We're squared up at 12.
Jeannie Sabas now at the service line for the Philippine Army. Good pickup from General. I think was too low.
Oo, sa kinain ni Mary Jane Balse yung set na yan. Alam mo, sabi ni Jane, tayo naman nandito na dati. She's known for her offense, but just been given enough credit for her defense. Mandapat on! Oh!
An excellent hit from Mandapat. Pero yun ang talagang exclamation mark.
Yes, indeed. This is getting interesting. 13 apiece. Points are coming slowly. Sa gitna din noon, Eskinita mo. Coach Taibunde to the left of your picture. And he's waiting for the game. His team will play against Cagayan.
Jurel Singh.
Just above the net.
Combination play. Pablo. Solid block from Gonzaga.
Nabasa si Marlon. Ang isa pang kailangan matutunan ni Marlon yung she sometimes ends up slapping it into the block where she needs some handwork. General gives a gift. Hindi na ipalo ni Baltic. Alam niyo.
Gonzaga.
Sa kabila tayo.
Naman dapat. Salak now goes to Gonzaga once again. Remember, that is a lefty.
Nagkahiwalay-hiwalay ang katawan ni Gonzaga pero she's been nursing that shoulder area for a while. 15-13, nabante ng dalawa. Last 2 points have been scored by the Army. We're tied at 13. Ball in play.
Free ball now given by NU. Good block from Pablo and Dada.
Alam mo, underrated itong blocking ng NU. Kasi ang blocking, trabaho no? Sipag yun.
Yes.
Sipag yan
That's right. And you know, this is again what's going to be interesting between these two teams because they are at the moment the top 2 blocking teams. Right? So like I mentioned, the Philippine Army actually is the number 1 and NU is number 2.
Javelin Gonzaga pushes her team to the technical timeout. We shall be back after this.
Winners natin, yun ang talagang
yung mga kaway na gano'n. Beauty pageant wave. In the meantime, NU is getting some points in and Army better wake up. They could be 2 sets down or they're still leading at this juncture. Wala natin to lose itong NU,
That's right. And they have actually everything to gain from this tournament.
Aray! And that's going to be painful for a while. She'll try to conceal it, but that hurt. We're tied at 16. 2 points in a row from NU down 16-14.
Good serve. Another miscommunication there from Philippine Army. This is quite unusual for the Lady Troopers.
So uncharacteristic, Naiinis sila sa sarili nila actually, So may body language sila. Why is this happening to us? Last 3 points have been all NU. Regalo. Dinasti Balse. Agno and Bunag get tied up.
And they would go to Santiago. Actually, that double jump of Jaja is catching the blockers off guard, off timing.
Kasi akala mo, sasama ka na doon sa first no?
Yeah, all of a sudden she stopped.
She can stop almost in mid-air. Mas tutusukan ka. Ala, time out for coming here. Unless I speak too soon. 1916. A change in the lineup and a timeout.
Yung mga dapat hindi talon, talong kayo ng talon. Nakikita niyo ba si Jadang pumabasa? Hindi. Tumatanong na agad kayo, wala pa yung bola yung tinatalonan niyo Yung tao, wala pa.
Okay, and the Army 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 straight points. No answer from the Philippine Army. And you're beginning to pull away here. Good size crowd. Who would have imagined for volleyball?
That's right. You would think it's a championship today.
But it's a triple treat day, you know?
Exactly.
You've had the first game, which you've already witnessed here on GMA News TV. As this is in play, Jaja gives a free ball.
Oh, very smart move from Jaja.
Sneaky. But to her, bali wala, no?
Oh, parang wala lang. It's a normal thing that she does.
Sabi sa'yo, ang sneakiest si Ruby de Leon. Kasi si Ruby, ikutan ka, lalayuan ka. Nakakainis.
Kahit ikaw na hindi naglalaro, naiinis ka.
Ay, naku, ganda ng tapo ni Pablo. Sabas. Perez, reversion. Double block, but out. Can't ask anything more from that effort, ano, ha? At least the Coach De La Cruz will say, okay, we block.
That's right. It's better than nothing.
Than nothing at all. Hindi lang maililihis. Sing. Jaja in flight. Pablo. Good defense by Army. Good defense by NU. Jaja. Atake. Huli. Down.
Excellent block from Perez.
And suddenly NU at 20 vis-a-vis 18. Don't forget, for Fun Family Pizza, it's got to be Shakey's. Glad you're with us this afternoon. Ito po ang Shakey's V-League. Open conference. Jaja! Regalo! Yun ang mahirap, ano? Pag nabigyan ng regalo yung kabila, at nandun si Jaja sa gitna. May problema ka.
Actually, if you look at that, yung bola medyo nakalagpas na kay Jaja.
Oo.
But na sobrang laki niya, sobrang tangkad niya, nagawa pa niya ng paraan.
Siguro may sumigaw, regalo! Regalo is like a free ball atop the net. Nice block. But in play.
They go to Sing.
Tina with a very, very sly smile, and she couldn't do much about it. Look at this. NU threatening to take a 2-set to love lead. Pablo.
So that's outside.
Lakasan. Army still in the going here. Still not out of it as Bautista will serve. Don't be sneaky on us. We got you. Army recycles. Dakis block. Dakis keeps it in play. Tina goes back to Dakis. And that just dies in the water on the Army side. Hindi na makataas ulit.
And you leading by 4 points.
Sa labas yun. Parang binigay nyo lang din. Hindi tayo kahit hindi tayo nag-iisip eh. Gusto nyo lang maglaro. Huwag kayo.
Tres 19 po. Ito po ang Shakey's V-League. Si Seb Zameta po si Ivy Ripoya at saka si Mia Kalinong magkasama rito. Sinasamahan kayong lahat sa hapong ito dito sa GMA News TV. Bakbakan ho ng Army at saka NU. Lamang ang NU. Nakuha nila ang first set, 25-22. NU point. And we are now at set point. Sa panahon ng tagulan, iwasan ng dengue. Lion Tiger kapal ng Cavite. Proudly Philippine made.
It is now Ivy Perez at the service line for the Lady Bulldogs.
To take the set. Serving for the set, actually.
Good serve.
the air it goes. Lusot.
Dapat off the block.
And the Army might be paying dearly for this one. They have now lost the first 2 sets. The first set goes